Many tea bags release microplastics when exposed to boiling water. Certainly not stuff you want in your tea. So why does it happen? Tea bags like this are made of plastic and glue. The hot water breaks down the plastic fibres that make up the tea bag, as well as the glue, and then you get that in your tea. So I'm going to show you a really simple fix that can help you avoid getting microplastics and glue in your tea. So here's the fix. We're going to get our tea bag and we're going to get a pair of scissors and we're going to cut the top off like that. Get our mug or cup with a strainer, pop it on top, empty the tea leaves straight in, pour boiled water straight over the top. Let's give it about 3 minutes. So by doing this, we're avoiding all that plastic and glue in the water and therefore avoiding the microplastics, and gives you a cleaner cup of tea. And if that helped, please like this video. Thanks for watching.